Medicine has explained cancer. It's mapped the human genome. It's cured diseases that used to wipe out entire cities. Doctors today can rebuild hearts, replace organs, and read your brain activity in real time. But even now, with all of that knowledge, there are still cases modern science simply cannot explain. Cases doctors studied for years, ran every test available, and eventually just gave up on. These are 5 real medical mysteries that remain completely unsolved to this day. In 1994, a woman named Gloria Ramirez was rushed into a California emergency room in severe distress. The moment medical staff attempted to draw her blood, several of them collapsed almost instantly. Some experienced seizures, others stopped breathing entirely and had to be resuscitated. Witnesses reported that the syringe gave off a strange chemical smell the moment it was drawn, and that the blood itself seemed to shimmer with tiny visible crystals, almost like it wasn't entirely liquid anymore. Investigators in full hazmat suits studied her blood for months afterward, running every toxicology test available at the time. No toxin, drug, or poison was ever identified. Gloria died shortly after arriving at the hospital. To this day, nobody has ever been able to explain what actually happened in that room. Between 1915 and 1926, a mysterious illness swept across the entire world, infecting nearly 1 million people across multiple continents. Victims would fall into an extremely deep sleep, sometimes lasting for days, sometimes lasting for years, and in a few documented cases, for decades. Some who eventually survived woke up with permanent tremors, frozen facial expressions, and personality changes so severe that their own families genuinely didn't recognize who they had become. Doctors at the time called it encephalitis lethargica. Nearly 1/3 of all patients died from it. The rest were left in a strange trance-like state for the remainder of their lives, some effectively frozen in time for years. The exact cause was never confirmed, and remarkably, no new case has been definitively identified anywhere in the world since 1930. Since the early 2000s, thousands of people all over the world have independently reported the exact same terrifying set of symptoms. The constant sensation of insects crawling underneath their skin, alongside mysterious colored fibers that physically emerge from open sores on their body. For years, doctors dismissed it outright as a psychological delusion, assuming patients were simply imagining it. But the concern grew large enough that the CDC eventually launched a full multi-year scientific investigation into the condition. What they found was strange. The fibers were real, the open sores were real, but no consistent parasite, infection, or environmental cause was ever conclusively found. The condition remains completely medically unexplained to this day, and patients are still searching for answers. In January of 1962, at a girls' boarding school in Tanganyika, 3 students suddenly began laughing uncontrollably for no apparent reason. Within just a few days, it had spread to over 95 students at the same school. But this wasn't joyful laughter. It came paired with fainting spells, uncontrollable crying, and strange rashes across the skin. The school was eventually forced to shut down completely. Instead of stopping there, the laughter spread outward into nearby villages, eventually affecting well over 1,000 people across the region before it finally stopped entirely after 18 long months. To this day, researchers still actively argue over whether it was purely a psychological phenomenon, a form of mass hysteria, or something else entirely that's never been identified. Now imagine one of your own hands acting completely independently of your will, unbuttoning your shirt while you're getting dressed without your permission, grabbing objects you never intended to touch, or even reaching out toward a complete stranger on its own. Patients diagnosed with alien hand syndrome describe their own limb as though it genuinely belongs to somebody else entirely. It's usually linked to brain surgery or a stroke affecting the connection between the 2 hemispheres of the brain. But doctors still can't fully explain why this disconnect results in deliberate, purposeful, goal-directed movement, instead of just random, uncontrolled twitching like you'd expect. Some patients have gone as far as describing physically wrestling with their own hand just to regain control of it. 5 real documented cases, 5 completely unexplained mysteries, 0 confirmed answers even decades later. Modern medicine has never been more advanced than it is right now, and yet these 5 cases stand as living proof that there's still an enormous amount doctors simply do not understand about the human body,